Mentaub nai tek mai tu lop ngan ai duna. Namar labun karam ngan hap ai sapata. Simba, Kingfisher. This is my earnest request to all my viewers and to all my friends who enjoy in the forest. Keep the nature alone, clean. Don't abuse the nature. And wherever you enjoy, but the trust over here. Enjoy to the fullest wherever you go. But I request you to leave all your footprints, not to throw all this dust. Thank you so much, and let's continue to make the forest clean wherever we go. Solo, thank you so much. This I need to cut. Where's my knife? Raining. Oh, headache. Hey, nice day. Heavy rain again. Here. Disturb my cooking. Anyways, we'll carry on cooking. Please stay with me till the end of my video. If heavy rain, all wet, no problem. We'll carry on. So please stay with me till the end. Thank you so much. See, today my recipe is this, my friends. This is the inner part of bakri. So today this is my special dish. I'm going to cook very spicy curry here. The inner part of bakri. See, boil it first, and I'm going to wash it again. Yeah, throw this water. Oh, let's clean this portion now before we start cooking. So, kadai ka snir blang ngin stang naman set haklaw. Kad hak style jong kinaga. Ma, yay baro. Kadai ka snir blang pa. Là đại con bật cả thịt điên bật cả xin rải bật tình dạ cả dính mà mình ta ngăn khô nó cái này bấy yong mình khuyết tạm mà yes đang nằm for some time, and after that I'm going to wash it once more to remove the unwanted smell. So let it go for some time, my friends. Small size. I'm going to slice this like this. That's fine. Now this also. Actually, the process of cleaning this is very long. Wash it in hot water and reverse the inner part, and then wash with salt to remove the unwanted stuff. So after that, I boil it throughout the water again, and then here I'll be adding 3 or 4 Samokan Bab, Morocco, pink chili, and then here. So it's okay. My favorite, of course, ginger, onion, and garlic, of course, and many more masala I have. So let's start cooking here deep in the forest. Yes. See, the karai also is totally black, so let me add oil, a little spicy. the meat is small, so I'm going to add lots of oil. Adding some masalas, garlic. Oh, this is dangerous. See how many. And let me add this ginger. Yes. Oh, onion. The spoon also is becoming very hot. See, I've got roots, dried roots, which I've collected from the forest to enhance the flavor. So I'm going to add this. Oh, yeah. Stir it. Kani kada gados ni jongka. Now time has come to add some masala ma. Ayo. Obo. Shit. Phải lạpเป็นhalf. Spicy, spicy. Some of it. Let me add the zira again. See the king chili over here. Haha. Get on. Going to be spicy. Now properly mix. I'll add a little bit of water. See this. Smelling good, smelling good. Let's see the meat now. Perfect. It's gonna be very spicy, very spicy. Time has come for mukbang. We'll have mukbang. Okay, let's pray. A new table I've got, gifted by my wife. Thank you so much. So let's have. Perfect. Wow. Sarap naman tayo ở đây gần.